Hey everyone, we just got our snack crate in the mail, so we are going to unbox it for you. Now this won't have any taste tests, that will be in a follow-up video, so if you're interested in that, please subscribe down below. So let's go ahead and get started. You ready? Alright, so this month is from the Caribbean. Do you know where the Caribbean is? Where? Is it where we go on our cruise? Yeah, we are going on the Caribbean cruise in November, so they are so excited to get to know what is in the Caribbean, right? All right, so it also comes with the stickers. They're pretty cute. Look at the bananas. The bananas are so cute. All right, so let's dig in here and see what we got. What should we pull out first? These are breadfruit chips, lightly salted. That sounds kind of interesting, but okay. And then, of course, plantain chips.
I don't like this again.
These are tamarind balls.
No, they're not.
And then there's a soda. It's Ting. Looks like it's grapefruit juice. Grapefruit juice. Let me show them. Ting.
Ting.
Ting. Yep. Cheesy Volts Monster Claws. Those look kind of cool. Bigfoot Spicy Picante, the giant cheese snack. Those are kind of weird, but we'll see if we like them.
We want this one, Mom.
A Cocoa Crisp. That looks delicious.
I say do everything one.
Then do another one. Ooh, what is this? Yum, yum, yum. This is a spice bun from Jamaica. That looks pretty good.
Nope. No.
Ooh, a rum and raisin bar. Yummy. Does that look good?
Nope.
Yep. Okay. And coconut pineapple snack. Just a little itty bitty coconut pineapple snack. What are these? Strawberry ballers.
No.
Oh boy. Strawberry ballers. They look like maybe Cheetos.
I don't want
you know those Cheeto Puffs? Chicken chips. That's pretty cool. Chocolate creams. Chocolate creams.
You say the boy.
Yum. Okay, leave them over here because I don't think we'll have enough room on the other side. Olay Extreme Barbecue Chips. These look good. Yum. We also have a catch bar. You want to play catch?
Yes.
Yay! And then we've got Ovaltine cookies. You don't want to throw it outside, no. Okay, what is this? A Nuggle bar. Looks like it's got peanuts or something in it.
No, I want a candy box.
Okay, how about a Tiki Gold? That looks good.
Yeah.
Yummy.
I just thought.
More banana chips. This is a different brand. We've got another one of those coconut pineapple candies. What is that? Ping pongs. These are freshly roasted coated peanuts. Yum.
Yes.
Okay, this is ginger biscuits. Ginger biscuits.
I don't want it there.
Chocolate digestive.
The red ball.
Not sure what that is, but I'm
This
thinking
way
it's
I
kind of
do
like
big
one
grass.
of those breakfast biscuits. And last but not least, we have coconut macaroon. Now, is it macaroon? Yes, I think it's macaroon. All right, so that is everything that is inside the snack crate. We subscribe to the biggest with the drink upgrade. So that's everything that you would get.
We don't need that deal.
Okay, we will put it down. All right, so we are going to get this all set up. We're going to go grab the other boys, and we are going to taste them. That will be in a later video. So if you would like to see the reactions of the kids to the snacks, subscribe and turn on the bell so you know when we upload the video.
Bye,
All right, bye.